Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to redact in PDF Expert. Now let's jump into our PDF. So I'm on iPad, or you can use it also on iPhone. So I will open my PDF. Let's go, for example, this one right here. And what I need to do now is tap the Edit tab at the top. So we have here I edit PDF, just like that, and tap the redact tool in the sub menu. So you will see it right here next to link. So this one, and what we can do now, you can drag your finger or Apple Pencil over the sensitive text. So something like that, as you can see, and you can cover up some text if you need to. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. When you are done with that, just hit save. And yeah, you will save this. And also it will do that automatically. So yeah, you don't need to worry about, but you can print it or save as a copy and so on. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.